OK，第一段，中國的歷史源遠流長，應該四字詞嚟㗎啦。源遠流長，that means very long，好長。我們可以通過認識重要的歷史人物和事件，人物同埋人啦，事件即係 what happened 啦，加深對國家的了解，加深即是 deeper understanding。OK，呢度秦始皇的統治措施，秦始皇 is the king，right？統治 is how he rule， 統治 the process the rules， 措施 is the process 啦，佢做啲乜嘢？秦始皇統一中國後 he conquered China， 一個中國之後統一國內的文字，統一即是 only make one language 係咪啊？全部都係 Chinese 啦，統一係咪啊？統一個 currency 即係可能個錢都係 Hong Kong dollars， 貨幣即係 currency 啦 ，Hong Kong dollar Chinese dollar， 度量衡，即是佢個 cm 或者寸咁樣啦，佢去大陸應該係 OK cm 或者寸，道路 roads 等標籤 OK， 咁行路嗰啲標籤啊，過馬路嗰啲標籤啊 OK， 這些措施不但有助文化，嗰啲係措施啦，係嘛？即係呢個 currency 幾多錢啊 ，centimeter 或者米啊嗰啲咧，有助文化 culture 和經濟發展 ，economic growth 發展即係 economy。OK， 更增強中華民族的乜聚力？你估下呢個咩字啦 ？OK， 增加呢個中華民族嘅咩力咧？估下。可是即係我哋嘅 power 勁咗，因為我哋已經個個都用同一樣嘢就勁咗。可是他調派大量百姓修柴長城，不過可是咧，佢哋就用咗好多大量百姓，即係嗰啲 people 啦，修建築個築長城，修築即是 make the long wall， 又禁書抗衰，禁書即是佢焚書啊，應該係 the burning all the paper all the books。OK， 抗衰 OK 應該係衰字喎，可能係。OK， 引起百姓不滿，so everybody is not happy。OK， he did a few things good, but he did some bad things too. OK，so some people are not happy. That's the